Hello everybody, this is Kyra back with another My Porch Prints tutorial. Today we are going to be doing a super fast tutorial on our adorable doors and how to assemble them, since we had a few questions about them. So just to show you how that works, I've already got an example going here. This is going to be a double door example. So to start, we're just going to cut straight down the middle between the doors, and then around the tops of each of the doors, sort of where like the frame of the door would end underneath this like lower arch. Just careful not to cut the frame. And then using either a fingernail or a ruler or a bone folder, anything like that, we're just going to make a crease along the edge of the door, between the door and the frame. Carefully bending it back. Like so. And I also like to bend my door the other direction, just so that it's able to swing freely. So that's what I'm going to do right here. Again, just being careful not to accidentally tear the door. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, and they should be able to open very easily. Just like that. And I'm going to grab a decorative paper from our shabby steampunk kit, and just to kind of show you how this would work. You could place the door on top of it so that the image sort of shows through behind. And if you don't want the back of your door to be white, you could definitely print it double-sided with some decorative paper or something. But for this one, I'm just going to leave it blank and add a little glue around the frame, being careful not to get any on the doors, since we want those to be able to open and shut. And just gluing everything down. Smoothing it out like so, and the doors should open just like that. Most of the doors are assembled this exact same way, but I'm going to show you a couple of differences. So for this one, we're just going to do it on one side here, but still cutting it up the middle and then going around just part of the arch and stopping about where the actual hinge on a door would be. If you go too far, they might sort of swing awkwardly, so just kind of stopping at that hinge. Again, creasing it so that it opens and shuts just like that. And there you go. That's how you could do just one door if you wanted to. And for this one, this is a singular door, so instead of cutting it in the middle, we're actually going to cut it along the side, one of the sides. And I'm staying under the shadow for this one so that the illusion of an arched doorway stays. And again, stopping about where the actual hinge on the door would be. Just carefully creasing it. And there you go. Not too difficult once you know how it's done. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we will see you next time. Bye!